Popular dancehall artist Popcaan was ordered to pay $40,000 or serve 30 days behind bars for breaching the Noise Abatement Act. The artist, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, was charged in relation to the December 23, 2023 staging of Unruly Fest in St. Thomas.
The circumstances could have been different. I made submissions that the matter really should have been discharged in regards to the permit, because as I said before, he was not the one who signed the permit, but Mr. Sutherland, I believe, in my humble opinion, was a scapegoat for the police to charge him for breach of the Noise Abatement Act. There were other persons performing on stage, there were the band members and so on. So as to why Mr. Sutherland is dragged before the court, what about the other performers? I can't answer that question.
In January, Mr. Sutherland was also fined $6,000 after pleading guilty to various offenses, including using indecent language, disorderly conduct, using abusive language, and issuing a threat to police officers. He had contested a charge for breaching the Noise Abatement Act, arguing that his name was not on the permit. However, Friday morning, Parish Court Judge Sanchia Burrell ruled that he was accountable. He subsequently pleaded guilty.
I must say that the matter is now at an end, thank God, and that Mr. Sutherland will certainly continue to be a son of St. Thomas. And of course, it must be commended that he is embarking upon the drain cleaning exercise in St. Thomas. So he's still very much committed to the parish of St. Thomas, even in the course of his own.
And we take another break.